Today we will continue with valuation of goodwill by using super profit method. In case of super profit method, first we need to find out the normal profit. Look at the formula. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital amount is the amount which we invested in the business, and normal rate of return which we will get in return by investing that capital in a year. After that, we need to calculate the super profit. For super profit, formula is average profit minus normal profit. We already learned how to calculate average profit, and by subtracting normal profit from average profit, we will get super profit. After that, value of goodwill. For value of goodwill, super profit multiplied by number of year purchased. Okay. So, look at the given example. Average net profit of X Limited expected in future is rupees 50,000 per year. The average capital employed in the business is rupees 3,50,000. Normal profit expected from capital invested in this class of business is 10%. Find the value of goodwill on the basis of 2-year purchase of super profit. So, everything is already given in sums. Average profit, capital employed, normal rate of return, and number of year purchased. We simply put the figures in the formula to find out value of goodwill. Look at the solution. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. So in this sums, capital employed is 3,50,000 and normal rate of return is 10%. That is 3,50,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. We will get 35,000. After that, we will calculate super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is already given in the sums, that is 50,000, and just now we calculate normal profit, that is 35,000. So, average profit minus normal profit, that is 50,000 minus 35,000, we will get 15,000 as our super profit. Now, value of goodwill. Value of goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of year purchased. Here, number of year purchased is 2 and our super profit is 15,000. So, 15,000 multiplied by 2 is equal to 30,000. So, value of goodwill is equal to 30,000 in this sums. This is formula based sums. Now we will solve another problem based on super profit method in which we need to calculate average profit too. So look at the example. The following particulars are available in respect of the business carried on by X and Y. Number 1, capital employed rupees 4 lakh, trading profit of 2010, 70,000, 2011, 85,000, 2012 there is a loss of rupees 15,000, and in 2013 profit of rupees 1,20,000. Here profit and loss of last 4 years are given. Okay. Then rate of return on capital invested in this type of business is 10%. You are required to calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 4-year purchase of super profit. So here capital employed is given, trading profit of last 4 years is given, rate of return on capital investment is also given, and we need to calculate the value of goodwill of last 4-year purchase. First we calculate normal profit. Formula of normal profit is capital employed into rate of return. In this sums, capital employed is rupees 4 lakh and rate of return is 10%. So 4 lakh into 10 by 100, that is 40,000. After that, we need to calculate the super profit, and for calculation of super profit, we need average profit, which is not given in the sums. So we simply calculate it. So formula of average profit, we all know that total profit divided by number of years. So here profit is 70,000, 85,000 and 1,20,000, and there is also a loss of rupees 15,000. So the total is 2,60,000 and number of year is 4. We will get average profit as 65,000 by dividing 2,60,000 by 4. So now we can easily calculate super profit, that is average profit minus normal profit. Normal profit is given in the sums and average profit is 65,000. So average profit minus normal profit, that is 65,000 minus 40,000. We will get 25,000 as super profit. And finally, value of goodwill. Value of goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of year purchased. Number of year purchased given in the sums, that is 4, and our super profit is 25,000. We will get 1 lakh by multiplying 25,000 multiplied by 4. So value of goodwill is 1 lakh. Here we end up super profit method. If you have any doubt, simply comment in comment box. I will surely answer all your questions. Thank you.
If you like this video, please click subscribe to watch more such videos. Thanks for watching.